Hi friends, this session we will see how to create the help view. Last session we will see how to create the foreign key and the database view, projection view. But this session we will see how to create the help view. And thank you for my new subscribers and subscribe my channel. Help view is nothing but it is used as a selection method in search help. Okay, two tables must be joined in the help view. So two tables must be joined using foreign key. Okay, let's start how to create the help view. Go to the transaction code AC11, click the radio button for view. Now you can create the help view. Click create button. You can click the radio button for help view. Copy. Now you can give the short description like help view. Okay. Save and activate the table. Okay. Now we give the table joint conditions for the table name for value table because I'm using foreign key. Two tables must be joined using foreign key. Okay. Now I'm using the table for the value table. Click relationship button. Now you can get the reference to tables. You can click the checkbox like value table and check table. Click copy. Now we can get the fields. Now we can go to the view fields. Now we can see the fields which you can get for the value table, check table. This is the two tables must be joined for the foreign key. So view tables. Now I can click the table fields. This is value table. I can click the value table. Click choose. I can click the fields like MA, DT and the name. Click copy. The same way I am again click the table fields and I click the check table. Choose and I am click the department. MA, already selected. Now I can click the department copy. Is all fields was selected. Now save local object and activate the table. Yes, now my table was activated. Now I'm created the search help for the this help you. Okay. Now we have created a search help for this help you. Okay. Now go back again. Go to search help. Now I create the new search help name. Okay. Search help. Okay, this is the search help which I am created using help you. Okay, now I'm click the create button. Now I am create the elementary search help. Click and I give the short description like search help. Now I save local object and activate it. Okay, because we give the view name. Okay, we give the view name for the selection method. The view name is save it help you. Okay, copy and you can give the selection method name help you name. Okay, this is the help you which we created previously. Okay, the selection method is the help you name. Now you can scroll down. You can give the search help parameter. Okay, now you can click. You can get the F4 button. You can get the name and the department. Okay, click name search help parameter and again you can click another one is department which we have created the search help for the help view. Okay. Search help parameter was done. Now we can give the helpers, expos and the import export. The checkbox was selected. Give the helpers 1, expos same 1 and 2. Helpers is list position, expos is screen position. Okay. Now save, check, activate. Yes, my search help was activated. Now you can go to the execute button. This is test. Yeah, you can get the name under department field. You can click the F4 button. You can get the fields like Saran, Satish, Sathya, department is Tamil Max English, which we have created the search help for the name and department. Yeah. This is the way create the search help for the help you. You can create the transparent table or anything. This is the way you can create the search help. Okay, I clearly explain what is help you and how to create the search help. Not for the help you only. It is a normal transparent tables also. The same way you can follow. Okay. This is the way you can create the help you and search help for the help you or other tables. And thank you. We will see the next views and other videos. We will upload soon. Thank you. Thank you. And subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.